when I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught these spins, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down, focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real when I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught these spins, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these...
And I'm back with another video showing you how to put on my naughty lashes from WhatAGalNeeds. So I'm just starting off showing you the things that we'll be using, which is mascara, your lash glue, scissors, tweezers, and of course your lashes. And like I say, I'm gonna be putting on Lash Naughty. This is my Christmas edition lash, and right now it's only $6, and it will be $6 until sold out because they're a Christmas edition. First, we about to start off by putting the mascara on both our eyelashes. I normally don't put too much because I feel like too much would make it clumpy and the lashes won't look right. So I just put just enough to get the lashes to blend with my natural lashes. Well, I'm doing a horrible job trying to put on this mascara. As you can see, I'm getting it everywhere on my eyes. But please excuse that. It just was hard to put this stuff on while looking in my phone camera and not a mirror. So right now, I'm about to size my lashes. So what I do, I just put them on top of my regular lashes and see about where it stops at the end of my lash, like where the wing would be at. And I just cut it right there. Sometimes I have to go back and cut a little bit more, but my eyes are very small, so I just keep them like that. So right here, this is how I put on my lash glue. Right now, I'm using Kiss Me Lash Glue. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the black one. And I got it off of Amazon. And this is how I put on my lashes, y'all. I feel like it's easier to put it on like an eyeliner than just put the lash on the glue like that. I do it all different ways, but this is the main way I do it because to me, it's easier and it goes right on. And I realize it's less messier than how I used to do it before. And I normally used to use hair glue, but I think I like using this glue more than hair glue now. Now we just going in and we're about to put the other lash on. So right now you see me still trying to size it up. And I'm about to cut it. Y'all, one of my eye shapes is different than the other. So it's literally a whole different shape and a whole different size. And one lash line is longer than the other. And I absolutely hate that about my eyes. That's one of my insecurities. Even being that I have the bump on the other eye and it won't go away. I always had that. Not always, but I had got it this year. And it won't go away, so I got to live with it. But this is the lash glue, y'all. It's called Kiss Me, I think, Super Stronghold. And it's the black one, although it look blue. And so I'm just lining my eyes. Oh my God. Look what I did. Yeah, I was about to die. Please excuse that. So I kept that clipping because I know that I'm not perfect and I make mistakes, and I want you guys to know that. So just watch me try to do that. Try to fix this problem. This eye was very difficult for me to get this lash on, y'all. I literally struggled. Like, it's hard trying to put on a lash in a mirror, a small mirror in front of you, which is your phone also. It's just so hard. So please bear with me. But this is how I put on my lashes, y'all. And this glue is very tacky, so when you put it on, you want to make sure you put it on as soon as you put the you want to make sure you put the lash on as soon as you put the glue on. And then right now I'm just adjusting it to make sure everything good, cleaning up the lash line, make sure all the glue is off of it so it can look presentable, so I can look like something. But yeah, that's about it. Here's a video of how I look at the end. If you want these lashes, they're on www.WhatAGalNeeds.com. I'm going to drop the link down. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and tell me how you like these lashes. These lashes are only $6, so get them while you can because 25 millimeter lashes are never $6. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.